disagree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have a human hair wig review for you guys. So today's video is brought to you by a company I've not worked with before. This company is called Snuggz Hair Boutique. They are based out of South Carolina. If you guys don't know, I'm from South Carolina as well. And this is a black owned hair boutique. So I am going to be reviewing their 5x5 HD closure body wig in 22 inches. So baby, she is long. She is long. We're getting inches for this time of year. And she is 200% density. So you guys saw what she looked like fresh out the pack. So I'm going to tell you guys what I've done to her so far. So the knots were not bleached on this wig. So, you know, if you are inexperienced, you need to watch some videos on how to bleach knots. I haven't bleached knots on a wig in a very long time, but they were, you know, pretty apparent. So I will give that as a critique, that the knots were pretty dark. So you will have to bleach the knots on the wig. But as far as closure wigs, I really need to start doing more closure wigs on my channel, because if you're somebody who is kind of like scared to get into 13x6s and stuff like that and laying your lace from ear to ear, closures are the way to go. And a lot of times I feel like closures work better with my hairline, because some 13x6 wigs don't cover my edges because I do have a larger head. So highly recommend closure wigs. And if I can, I'll try to do more closure wigs on my channel for you guys, because they're way more beginner friendly. So because this wig is so long, I was like, baby, this is gonna take a long time to curl. So I was like, I've never done flexi rods on a wig. So we're gonna see how the curls turned out. I'm a little bit nervous because I did it last night and I didn't show it on camera, but I'll tell you guys what I did. A lot of companies send me like different supplies for my human hair wig. So I had some flexi rods in my stash, and these are pretty skinny ones that I have here. And all I did was use like some foam wrap, some styling foam, and section the hair and just rolled it up and then bent the ends. So if you guys want me to show you how to do that in another video, if this turns out good, then I will. But I just wanted to kind of do it on my own without, you know, messing up first. So I hope these turned out good, but I wanted to do a side part. So that's what we have going on so far. So I'm going to put her on my head and hope for the best with these heatless curls. So that's the thing about closures. You're just gonna have to glue this part down and that's it. And I did tweeze the hairline and it's looking good. Okay, and I did a curved part. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace and glue and adhere that down. And we'll see how these curls turned out. If you're seeing this, then it turned out good. So with closures, you do have like this area that you need to cut off at the end of the closure. So make sure you do that. Oh, I have to worry about that piece of hair. Yeah, you will have like a little piece right there. So you can cut it off as close to that area as possible. You might have to cut into the wig a little bit to get that off. I'm gonna have to get this. Should have thought about that. I probably should have cut the lace before I did my curls, but hopefully it still looks good. Actually, this is laying pretty flat to my head without any adhesive. But I'm still going to use some adhesive because I want to melt. And I'm probably going to keep this wig on since it's the last one I'm reviewing today. Okay, so I'm going to use my Eben Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. Almost gone. Taste Pink put me on to this earlier this year, and it's just been history after that. Highly recommend this. It'll be in my Amazon storefront, guys.
I won't do for your body, so give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby, so come give me love. You know you're mine, baby, so come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby.
I'm just taking this Organics Nourishing and Coconut Milk Anti-Breakage Serum. I'm just gonna run it through the curls a little bit.
Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the...
All right, guys, so I am back. I already told you guys the specs on it. It's 22 inches. I don't know what cap size this is. I'll ask her before I put this video up. 5x5 closure, and this is a body wave wig. I did wash this. I obviously had to wash this wig because I had to bleach the knots. So this turned out actually really pretty. I did not show the process of me putting the flexi rise in the wig. If you're somebody who does not know how to curl hair very well, highly recommend doing flexi rise instead, even though this was my first time really doing it with a human hair wig. So if you would like to see me do that in a future video, probably in my December reviews, just let me know and I'll try to see if I can do a review on a body wave wig and, you know, demonstrate how to do this. But all I did was use styling foam, section the hair, rolled it away from my face, and this is how it turned out. So the wig itself, I already told you guys, the only critique I would say is just for her to bleach the knots before, having the option to have bleach knots ahead of time so you don't have to do that. But I bleached the knots and I tweezed the hairline, and this looks really good, y'all. I did a sunlight test. It is raining. I said that in a different, I'm going to say that in a different video. It is raining and super cold today in South Carolina. So I didn't go all the way in the yard, but I still did a sunlight test. I peeked my head out and you could see this looks really good, okay? And I take my edges out with my wigs anyway because I feel like that looks more natural. So I have the 5x5 here, and then this area is my own natural edges. You have a little bit of shedding, but I did have to cut off the area where the closure ends. So that's where that came from. But I think this turned out really pretty and glamorous. And the hair quality to me is good. I just had that critique about the knots not being bleached and the hairline needed to be tweezed up a little bit. So overall, a pretty great experience with this company. And if you would like to purchase a wig from her company, I'll have her website and details to where you can shop and everything in the description box for you guys. Shout out to Snuggz Hair Boutique for sponsoring today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me want